Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Six. And if you attended live session, you already know that for the next 2 weeks, I will not be in class. I mentioned to you that I will actually be going out of the country for the next 2 weeks. I will be back on October the 15th. That will be my first day back. So just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that. So watching the video, in case you weren't in the classroom, you would know that information. In this video, I'm going to give you quite a bit of information about the next week or so. But I do want to just let you know that the live sessions that you are going to be doing on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, those are going to be in the form of recordings. So instead of actually attending live sessions, you are going to be watching the recordings that I will put in the classroom. And there will be recording each day that you will watch, maybe more than one, just so you know kind of what's going on, because I will not be obviously doing live sessions during those 2 weeks. What I do want to let you know is that while I will not be doing live sessions, I will have access to email, and I will be trying to do as much grading as possible, but there is a small chance that grading may be a little bit behind, but I will definitely be doing as much as I possibly can, but I will be answering emails and any questions that you may possibly have during that time. So I'm preparing the videos ahead of time, just so you have that instruction and guidance you need for your assignments for October 1st through the 12th. And then if you have any questions, that's when you will definitely be emailing me, okay? So just make sure that you watch all the videos over the next 2 weeks. It's super important because I am not doing those live sessions. So what I want to make sure that you are aware of is that on Monday, the 1st of October, we are going to be starting a new lesson with Edgar Allan Poe, and 2 of those weeks all deal with Edgar Allan Poe. So the 2 weeks that I will not be doing those live sessions all deal with Edgar Allan Poe. So just make sure that you are looking at the assignments and looking at the plan. I'm currently in the class plan, so I'm in a view of like the month view. So when I'm looking in here and I click on Edgar Allan Poe, we're looking at these assignments. So what I will do for you is I'm going to create separate videos for each of these assignments and go over that information. So if you have questions, be sure to email me. It's super important. And make sure that you are watching the videos. I can't emphasize that enough because that will count as your live session time, okay? They may not be the full 45 minutes, but you can definitely pull up the assignment and work. While you're doing that, stop the video, whatever you need to while you're working. So you should be able to spend that time on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 9:15 to 10 o'clock and focus on your English assignments. All right. If you have any questions, like I said, please email me. But the next video you will see should be on this first Edgar Allan Poe piece that we're going to be doing on Monday, October 1st. So we will get started with that.